just to have like a healthy recipe. So what you can do is put some pomegranate seed into your blender. I love pomegranate seed, guys. If you notice, most time in my video I just went to the shop and I just brought this one and I just eat it just on its own like this. But a lot of people who know these things, guys, because a lot of people know the recipe and they do not share the recipe, they keep it as a secret. Alright? But what I'm gonna say, do not keep things for yourself. Always share your recipe with others that others can learn. So put some pomegranate seed into the cup like this. And this is the best way to do it. Alright, especially, you know what I mean, at home, relaxing sometime, and probably you might just retire and then home and just want to get some natural stuff in your immune system. These are some natural stuff. But as I said, just put a little bit of water in it, like this. And what we're going to do, we're just going to blend this right here, just to show you what you can also do at home. Alright, let's blend this one quickly. Lovely, nice one. So I just beat up this pomegranate seed right here just to show you guys. So you can do this at home, very good. And the pomegranate seed have its own sweetness, so basically you don't need to add any sweetener to it or any sugar or anything. It's natural, and strain it. All right, this is also very good. But I want you guys to take some time and do yourself some Google research and these two main ingredients right here, which I'm being sharing with you this evening. The reason why I want to share this one with you, because these are local and you guys can get these ingredients. Okay, so basically, say you know you're 50 or your 40s and you feel a little way, you go to the doctor a couple of months ago and your doctor said to you, you have your blood pressure is very high and you want to control the high blood pressure. These are some remedy for you to use to control the high blood pressure. All right, say you're 45 or 50 or 43 or 48 and you went to your doctor because you feel the head is hurting you, and your doctor said to you, okay, you have high blood pressure. What you gonna do? Okay, all right, he said to you, say, okay, you need to change your diet or something. What are you gonna do? Well, you can come home, start eat some ripe banana, start to make yourself some of these kind of juice, and make yourself some green juice. Eat a lot of spinach, kale, and you know what I mean, a lot of fruits, pineapple, and all these things, because these things, they got their own sweetness and their own flavor come from this. During the day, eat some pumpkin seed and some seed, very good for you. So this right here, this is what you want to do. Get this like this. So if you're at home, and trust me guys, this high blood pressure thing is like big like Christmas. Trust me, even bigger than Christmas right now, because I'm telling you, a lot of people are suffering from it, and it's a serious thing. You may have said to yourself, oh, Chef Ricardo, come on. I know I hear you talking about it, but not because your family or your parents or someone doesn't have that, but I know people who are suffering it like 20 years, and you know what I mean, on medication, and it's not, sometimes them sick, sometimes the head hurt. It's not an easy thing when the doctor put you on the medication. But those people, they don't want to, and I said to the people, them, why you do not eat healthy and cut out some of those junk stuff, cut out some of the takeaway pizza, takeaway burger, all of these things, you know what I mean, and eat healthy. I don't know why. So this is what you want to do, and drink yourself. If you can drink this, alright, one of the research, when I was doing the research, said if you can drink, alright, let me give you a few tips on it now. One of the research said, if you can drink pomegranate seed, if you go to your doctor and your doctor say you have high blood pressure, so you need to control the high blood pressure. One of the research said if you drink this at least two weeks, your high blood pressure will go right and proper way. So give it a try and give it a go and prove it for yourself. All right. I remember when I go to the doctor, not this long time ago, I went to the doctor when I was doing a checkup, and the lady was saying to me that the doctor lady was saying to me, oh, my blood pressure is up. And from that time until now, you know what, I control it. So what I try to do, I try to drink a lot of garlic tea, all of these natural stuff you see I was doing. at night time, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, in telling people these things work. Try this at home. Try this at home. Try this, guys. This is very good for you. You know what I mean? This is what I've been doing. So the last time when I went to the doctor, everything was perfect. You know what I mean? Yes. Not because you're young. You can have high blood pressure. Because sometimes you're stressed out. And sometimes you have a lot of things where you're thinking about. And that's where it come in. And it's kicked in. You know what I mean? Because things is on your mind. Blood now get flow the right and proper way. You eat the way you're eating and not eating right. And all these things. So guys, there's a lot of stuff you can do at home to control your high blood pressure. So if you ever go to the doctor and the doctor said to you, okay, you have your high blood pressure is way up, so you need to relax and take it easy. Go home. Don't get panic. Go home and make yourself start drink a lot of garlic tea, lemon tea, and eat some banana in the morning. Drink some of these natural juice and eat some spinach, some kale, some nuts, all of these things. And I'm telling you, 100% guys, you will see a big result the next time when you go to see your doctor. Alright? We can control things at home. It's we. It's nobody else. You cannot blame your child. You can't blame your husband. You can't blame your wife. It's you individual have to look after yourself at home. And if you do not have that high blood pressure problem, do not just say, okay, well, it's just one of these things. I don't think those kind of way. You have to respect every person, guys. Alright? Respect everyone around you and share the love and the gratitude and the respect, because I'm telling you, it's not a nice thing. And I'm telling you, when I see so many people being requesting this, what do you think I did the video? When I see I did that this morning to control the diabetes, do you think I just did it because I want to do a video? No, I did the video because I got a lot of people requesting the video. And I sit down like 5-6 hours and do research and try to come with the best remedy and a quick remedy for you guys to use at home to control your diabetes, high blood pressure. Share video night and day with you guys. Do this at home because it works. Alright, I'm going to give you one more recipe, and to be honest with you, this one will